Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your 2015 Honda Pilot. So I always come over to the passenger side. You can go to either side. I use an airbag. You can get this from the tagged products in the description down below, or you can go to Home Depot and get one out of the door and window aisle, or you could use like a wood or plastic wedge to shove into the door. Let the air out of the bag, and then you put it into the door frame and work it in like saw motion. Just, you can start anywhere you want on the door, but let me pause this for a second, use two hands. Okay, and then kind of get the corner started in there, and like so. And like I said, if you don't have one of these, you could use like a door stopper, you know, for stopping doors, you know, from opening or closing, and you could shove that in there like a wood wedge or a plastic wedge if you don't have one of these airbags. But if you want one of these airbags, they're in the description down below. Pump it up just enough, like maybe a ½ inch, where you can see inside, and then you'll take a metal rod. This one's Access Tools green reach tool. You can get this in the tagged products down in the description. Alright, so I use Access Tools green reach tool. This is a metal rod coated in plastic. It has a rubber tip on it. You can get this in the tagged products down in the description. And if you don't have one of these, you could buy a metal rod at Home Depot and bend it up and tape it up, slide it through the door like so. And come over here to your flipper lock that's on the door right there, and just flip that forward. Pull the tool back out and deflate the bag, or pull the wedge out of the door, so that way the door can bend itself back nice and flush. This video helped you out. If it did, please like, tag, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.